Most people think creating an AI assistant means lines of code and complex models. But with Microsoft Copilot Studio, you can build one in minutes. No coding, no AI degree. All you need is an idea and a few simple steps. First, define what your Copilot should actually do. Will it answer an employee? Will it guide customers? Automate internal requests? Clear purpose equals better conversations later. Next, create a new Copilot inside Copilot Studio. Give it a name, pick a language, and choose where it'll live, usually your production or test environment. Behind the scenes, Copilot Studio provisions everything automatically. Topics are like the heart of your Copilot. Each topic defines a conversation flow. When someone asks a question, the topic triggers a response. You can type sample phrases, add questions, and even include buttons or variables, all visually, not a single code. Next, connect your Copilot to knowledge sources. SharePoint sites, uploaded files, or database tables. This is where generative answers shine. The Copilot reads your content and crafts context-aware replies. It's how your Copilot learns your business language. Before you share it, test your Copilot in the built-in simulator. Try common user questions, look for awkward phrasing, and adjust your topics or knowledge files. A few tweaks here can make your Copilot feel truly conversational. When you're ready, hit publish. You can share your Copilot instantly in Microsoft Teams, embed it in your own website, or deploy it privately for your department. One build, multiple channels, securely managed in Microsoft 365. And that's it. You build your first Copilot. No complex setup, no coding, just structured creativity. Start small, learn fast, and let your first Copilot open the door to a smarter organization.